As temperatures drop, the risk of coughs and colds rise, and one expert has shared what foods you should eat to stay healthy this winter. According to Dr. Natasha Fernando, MBBS, MRCGP, Head of Clinical Excellence at MetaChex, relying on vitamin and mineral supplements is not enough to keep you from getting flu-like symptoms in winter. As such, it is vital to eat plenty of nutritious foods to boost your immune system. Ailments that produce symptoms like a sore throat, chesty cough and sniffy nose are more common at this time of year due to the drop in the mercury. Essentially, the cold air weakens your immune system and makes you more susceptible, Hull reports. Dr. Fernando explained, being unwell can be a miserable experience and, while illnesses such as the dreaded common cold are generally harmless and clear up quickly, it makes sense that we'd want to do everything we can to boost our immunity and avoid catching them in the first place. We're all aware of the immune-boosting benefits of vitamin C, but it's important to remember that you need a properly balanced diet. Without other vitamins, your immune system simply won't function at its best. There are a number of vitamins and minerals that can boost your immunity, and many of them are found in everyday foods. Dr. Fernando added. With that, read below to find out what foods to stock up on to keep colds at bay, based on the nutrient content. 9 foods to help prevent colds and coughs. Salmon, carrot juice. Pyridoxine, also known as vitamin B6, has a number of important roles. It helps with brain development but is also important for keeping your immune system healthy. By eating foods that are rich in B6, such as salmon and carrot juice, you can help your body balance its immune response and fight against infections. Prawns, almonds, avocados. Vitamin E is another big one. It's crucial for maintaining healthy skin and eyes, helping to protect cells from damage and strengthening the immune system. If you're wondering how to reach your recommended daily intake, 4 mg for men and 3 mg for women, prawns, almonds and avocados are great sources. Leafy greens, mushrooms. Copper is essential for the body, but you only need a small amount, just 1–2 mg a day. It helps you to produce energy as well as supporting normal brain function and the immune system. Good sources of copper are kale and shiitake mushrooms. Pulses. Another essential mineral for immunity is iron. Not only do you need iron to make hemoglobin, which is needed to transport oxygen around our body, but it also helps you ward off illness. Iron helps to maintain energy levels and regulate body temperature too. Eating foods like yellow beans and lentils can help you hit your recommended daily intake, 8–7 mg for men and 14.8 mg for women. Don't miss the latest news from around Scotland and beyond. Sign up to our newsletter here.